Is your storefront door closing too fast? Is it slamming at the end? We're going to show you how to adjust a door closer. I'm Robert, you're watching Locksmith Recommended. This video helps you. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Let me show you this door. Right now it's closing way too fast. In about 2 seconds. That's dangerous to the people that come into your storefront. That can make you liable. Also at the end, it's slamming. You're hearing that noise. Little kids' fingers can get caught in that. That's a bad situation for you. The other thing that happens a lot is it doesn't close all the way. It's held open just a little bit. And then you're air conditioning the desert in Arizona. So we're going to show you how to adjust a door closer to control the speed of the door as it closes and to control the power or the force of that latch when it closes. Before making any adjustments, you need to know whether or not these adjustments are going to work. So what you want to do is you want to inspect the header where the door closer is. If you see oil, that door closer is shot. You might make an adjustment now, it might last for an hour or a day, but it's not going to hold because your door closer is leaking oil. That's when you need to replace a door closer. That's when you need to call your local locksmith. There's two types of common door closers. The first one is a surface mount door closer. You actually see that on the door or on the frame. The other one is a recessed door closer, and that's actually up in the header here. You can adjust both. And the adjustments that we're looking at are on the door closer itself. This one has two little hex screws. One's going to be labeled with S, and that's your speed or your sweep. That's how fast the door closes. The other one's going to be labeled with an L, and that's the force of your latch. Those are the two things that we're going to adjust in this video. On the recessed door closer, what you're going to find are two holes up in the head of the door. The hole that's closest to the latch is your latch adjustment. The other one is for your speed adjustment. You're either going to take a hex screw or a small screwdriver, depending on what's there, and you're going to give it small little, maybe 1/8 of a turn turns. You turn it to the right or clockwise, you're actually restricting the flow of fluid in that door closer. And what that's going to do is it's going to slow things down. If you turn it counterclockwise, you're opening that flow up so the fluid goes quicker, and that's going to increase the speed or increase the force. When your door closes, by code, it needs to take at least 5 seconds. Slower in a lot of cases is better. Sometimes we shoot for 8-10 seconds. We like to do the little old lady test. You don't want an old lady coming through your door as the door closes, right? 1 1000, 2 1000. Way too fast, out of code, dangerous. Let's slow it down by adjusting the S on the door closer. We're going to slow down that speed. We're going to go clockwise in order to slow down the speed. One, 2, 3. Let's do it again. One 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000. We're almost there. I'm going to do it one more time. One 1000, 2 1000, 3 1000, 4 1000, 5 1000, 6 1000. That's perfect. We have our speed taken care of. I'm going to make the adjustment to the hole closest to the latch to fix the latching speed of the door. We don't want this. See how we did? A little softer, a little ways to go. That's nice. That's how you adjust a door closer. We fix the speed and we fix the latching on this door. One thing you might find is no matter what you do, your door won't close all the way. There's a little crack in it, and all your AC or heat or whatever is just going right to the great outdoors. What's probably wrong there is your J-arm on the door is bent. That's this little piece of metal right here. If that's bent, you're not going to be able to make any adjustments to fix the latching speed of your door, and you're going to need a locksmith out on site to fix it. I'm Robert. You've been watching Locksmith Recommended.